Gang, guys.
Huh? Who is that? I don't know. Gang, guys. What's up? Today, welcome to another vlog. So, guys, today I'm gonna be doing a vlog of bubbles. You might be wondering, who will I do it with? I've got my brother here.
Hello.
So, guys, introduce yourself first.
I am 8 years old. My birthday is in 6th August, and I am better goalkeeper than Abdullah, and I play football, and I like cricket more than football. Bye, gang.
What? So, guys, we're gonna do this bubble challenge. Like, first we have to eat one, and then see like who can do the biggest. Like, if I take, I have to do we have to do it bigger. So, guys, you ready for that? See ya in the next show. So, guys, here are chewing-gums. I've got white. He's got red. Guys, are you ready for this? See you in the next shot when we eat this and we'll make it bigger. Whoa! That was quick. So, guys, here's my chewing gum. Yes, it is. Let's do it. I'm fast. That was awful. It's your turn. I win! Oh! So, guys, here was the bubble one. So, guys, if you enjoyed it, make sure you comment down below when you are done. Leave a like and please subscribe. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see ya in the next video. Peace.